The reason why your video is not getting the views that it's supposed to get is because it's not reaching the right audience. And the reason why it's not reaching the right audience is because you are uploading your videos the wrong way. Yes, there are 1,001 reasons why your videos are not getting the views, the attention, the attraction, and meeting the right audience that it's supposed to be meeting to give you the results that you want. But one of those reasons are the fact that you are uploading your videos the wrong way. And in this video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step way to actually upload your videos the right way so that it's going to meet the right audience for your videos, right? And you are going to be getting the results, you are going to be getting the views, you are going to be getting the attraction that your video needs to actually get so that it will give you the results that you want to get. But before we dive right into the video, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you like content about growing here on YouTube, or you are looking to grow your YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the channel so that whenever I drop helpful videos like this one, you will be the first person to know. So quickly, let's dive straight into the video. So the first thing we are going to do is to open our browser. You can use any browser of your choice. For me, I'm using my Chrome browser, but you can use any browser of your choice. Once you open your browser, just type YouTube dashboard and then click on send. It's going to open this very page, and then click on YouTube dashboard and allow it to load. Once it loads, it's going to open your YouTube channel in the browser section, right? And then go ahead and click on the right side of the channel. You are going to see create and then click on upload. It's going to open this space. Click on select files and go ahead and select the video that you have just edited, right? The video you created, the video that you have edited, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to upload. It's going to show you this particular thing you can see, and it's going to start uploading. Then you go ahead and do the remaining thing. The first one here is to put in your title. Just go ahead and put in a very intriguing title that is going to make people to click on the video. Once I do that, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and add up some words or to describe what my video is talking about in the description section. For the description box, you can actually put in some other things like link to your playlist and every other thing that is going to help you, to get the attention of the algorithm, right? The next thing we want to do is to upload your thumbnail, and you can go ahead and upload it. Select the thumbnail that you have already created and then click on upload. The next thing you are going to do is to select the playlist, right? First of all, you want to make sure that you have a playlist. You've created a playlist of your videos. So I'm going to go ahead and select my playlist. There are a lot of things that you should go ahead to do. That is why uploading through this method is actually good. The next thing I will do is to make sure that I indicate who these kind of videos are for, or the particular video I'm uploading, who it is for, whether it's for kids or not meant for kids. Now, there are a lot of other things that you should do here when it comes to selecting the options that you want for your video. It's going to be helpful for you because it's going to help the algorithm to know who your video is for and who they are going to show your videos to. If you upload it through your studio, you may not see some of all of these options. So that is the more reason why you should make sure to upload through your browser instead of through your YouTube studio. It gives you urge to see a lot of options that can help your videos to do well. This next one now is tags. You want to make sure to write out keywords that are associated with your YouTube channel or that are also associated with the kind of videos that you want to upload. These tags is going to enable any audience or any of your audience that is searching for a video relating to what your channel is doing or what this video is about to see your videos and click on it. So make sure to put in keywords that are relating to your channel or keywords that are relating to these particular videos that you are about to upload, so that whenever an audience search for something that is relating to this video, your video is going to be among the ones that YouTube is going to also recommend. Also, you can see that there is something called the language for this video. YouTube is going to ask you what kind of language do you want this video or that this video is done with. If it is done in English, Arabic, in Hausa, whatever language it is done in, go ahead and click on it. Okay, there are other options as to the location, the type of content, the licensing, if you have a paid advert on it or not. You have to go ahead and click on them. Like I said, there are many options. Also, the next one here is short remixing. You can actually allow your videos to be remixed if you want your videos to later be used for short, or if you want to use some clips of the video for short later, you can allow it. You can also decide not to allow it. Also, there is another section called the category section, where you will choose what this video is about to do to the audience. Is it to educate your audience? Is it an how-to video? What kind of is it an entertainment video? What kind of video category does this particular video fall in? So pick the one that your video falls in, and also go ahead to click on select. Once you are done with all of these processes, just click on next. It's going to show you the next option that you should fill, or the next form that you should fill. Follow up with all of them, and then go ahead and click on save. Make sure you save it, right? If you don't save it, you are going to lose them. Make sure you save it. You are going to definitely see difference if you go ahead to upload your videos this way. It's going to get the attention and the attraction that it needs. I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two from this video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions at all about growing here on YouTube, making money on YouTube, monetizing your YouTube channel, please go ahead and ask me in the comment section. Okay, you guys, I will be happy to see your message and answer you. I also have couple of videos to help you grow here on YouTube. Please go down to the description box. I will be leaving the link of those videos in the description box. Go ahead and watch those videos and gain a thing or two from it, because they are super informative and they're definitely going to help you grow on YouTube. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you've gotten a value or two from it. Do not also forget to ask me your questions in the comment section. And thank you guys so much. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.